Hello, everybody. Anutosh Bhakto. See, the very common questions I have been hearing for last so many years from my students that, sir, what we have seen you 25 years back, you still look the same. What is the secret of your youth? How do you maintain your health? I never used to give this answer. कैसे दूं? खुद को पता नहीं था. But in the year 2011, that time I was working with JP Group of Hotels as a general manager L&D, and I was a principal for their Center of Excellence. So I used to stay mainly in Agra because the Center of Excellence was in Agra. So I was stationed in Agra for around 20 days in a month, and 10 days I used to travel in different places like Delhi, Mussoorie, etc. because they had different hotels, and I used to look after their training, learning, and development. Now, in 2011, I faced a problem in my life. I started developing the health issue. I had become very fat. My energy became very, very low. So I was a bit worried, and I went to the doctor, and I was detected with a high blood pressure. The doctor prescribed me with a medicine. So I started taking medicine, but nothing much happened. So I continued with the medicine for 3 months, and after 3 months, I was detected with a high cholesterol. So I was a bit worried. I used to lead my bachelor's life over there because my family, my wife, and my son used to stay in Kolkata that time. So once they had come to Agra during that time, and my son said, "Je, Bobai," he used to call me as a Bobai. He still calls me as a Bobai. Uh, you have become very old. Okay, you are no more that jovial. Okay, uh, your energy level is very, very low. So I don't like to see you like this. So I was very upset because I used to hear from many people that you are very jovial, you are very energetic. Okay, you look very young. So I was very upset. Then I thought that I must do something. So what I did, I started studying because I could understand this medicine is not going to help me, okay, in long run. Because from the blood pressure, from blood pressure again, I was suffering from high cholesterol, etc. And people started telling that within maybe a few years or maybe within a year or so, okay, be prepared to become a sugar patient. So I was very worried. So I started researching, okay, that what is the other alternative way to avoid medicine, because I could understand this Western medicine is not going to help me, okay, in long run, because it has got a lots of side effects, and which I could realize. So I started studying. Now suddenly I came to know about a Nobel Prize winning study, which is known as a China study. So I did a deep research. Okay, I went to deep, absolutely deep into that. And I found that in the China study, they talked about two things. Okay, number one is your lifestyle change, that is your food habits, because they talk about there's a food as a medicine. Okay, so this is number one. and number two is the food for your mind. Okay, these two food for mind and food for your body has to be right, because if you don't give a right fuel to your body and the mind, your car, okay, if you consider our life is like a car, your car cannot run perfectly. So I was very, very impressed and I started studying very deep. And after that, I could know about a particular course on this. Okay, I completed that course, okay, in that. And I was very much convinced and I started applying on me. And I could understand that for my health, for my energy, for my look, young look, the game is two things. One is the right food, another is a right food for the mind. Now, from the very beginning, unconsciously, maybe I used to take a right food for my mind because I never used to involve myself with a gossip, unnecessary complaining, and all these things. This is very unconscious. So, probably I used to get a right food for my mind, but there, because of the lifestyle I used to lead, and because I was a bachelor, uh, forced bachelor rather, okay. So my food habit has changed suddenly, and that is the reason. Okay, I was suffering from all these. So immediately I started the right food. Okay, I started with the right food, and believe me, within 3 months, within 3 months of changing my food style, right food style, okay, I have reduced the weight of around 7 kgs. My cholesterol has gone down, my blood pressure has gone down, and within a year, I could leave the medicine. Until today, I don't take any medicine. The cost of my medicine is zero, just zero. Okay, and I gain back my energy, I gain back my health. So, this is a very important. If you want to live a joyful, healthy life, okay, you'll have to give you'll have to be very, very careful about your fuel which you are giving to your body and a mind. That I have understood very clearly, and I started studying in very deeply, and I understood that if you want to leave a medicine and want to leave a joyful health, want to have a joyful health, okay, the only solution is to choose a right food for body as well as your mind. You see, I have seen that many people, the young people, okay, they are suffering from so many diseases at a very young age, at the age of 40, 45, and they don't know, they don't know about all these things. Though this, I talked about this, the China study, it is a Nobel Prize winning study. But when I went deep into that, I have seen, oh my God, this is nothing but our Ayurveda, which has been 5,000 year old, and it is said in the Ayurveda that how we should live life, how we should give a right fuel to your body and mind. Now, it has come in a new packaging, okay, and it becomes a China study, and they own the Nobel Prize. Anyway, so from then, I have started feeding myself with the right food and more consciously the right food for my mind. I will share the details in my future videos. You know why I'm feeling that urge? Because very recently, okay, I was very, very upset. One of my students, his age is around 45. Okay, he was very, very close to me. In fact, all of you are very close to my heart. Okay, he expired few days back. And I came to know from my another students, he has happened to be his a colleague in the same organization. So he said, yes, sir. Actually, he started with a high blood pressure, started medication, then he was having a cholesterol, then next he was having your blood sugar. Okay, then recently he developed thyroid, and lastly, okay, he had a kidney problem. Now, when he was hospitalized for this kidney problems, okay, doctor said immediately you'll have to operate, which probably was not necessary. Okay, but even then, so he had a kidney operation and he expired, okay, within 12 hours. So I was very upset. And I'm thinking that I should have shared my benefit, okay, that is through a right food for body and mind. I should have shared in a digital space a long time ago so that the people could get benefits out of it. Okay, because today the people are tremendously pressurized with the Western medicine, okay, which is not required at all, not required at all. Okay, I am the main proof. I don't take any medicines right now. And I'm healthy, absolutely energetic. Okay, every day, okay, I'm learning new things, new skills. So it is possible, absolutely possible, because I have experienced myself. So in future, okay, future means near future, I'll be disclosing my experience and how the people can get benefit out of this magic, that is the right fuel for mind and body. I will definitely share this through videos, through articles. Now, if you want to know more about this, please join my private group. The link I'll give below, okay, where I'll be sharing more useful video, more valuable videos, articles, etc. Till then, bye bye.